Welcome to the Space Training Center, where we will turn you into a mature beef. Oh, I was wrong. I mean mature monkey steak. Today's lesson is familiar with 3 kinds of space engineers used basic tools: welders, grinders, and handheld drill. Welders can repair damaged objects. Universal tool. As long as there is enough material and energy, it can fix anything. The necessary tools of this course are already in your personal backpack. Press G to open menu and drag your tools to your quick bar. Well then, please align broken console with banana, welding it with the left mouse button. Well, I mean, welders, yellow objects to you are all bananas, isn't it? It seems to get bananas for the monkeys is still too stimulating it. It does not matter, that we will prepare more exciting for you. Mark can do it. I believe you can do it too. Very good. Next one, go and fix broken console. Welders can fix anything, but do not include monkey heads. Please move to the next room to continue the test program. Oh, that door just stuck. Take out your bunch of bananas. I mean grinder, to dismantle it. Dismantling progress will be displayed on your HUD. When the progress goes below the red line, the object will lose its function. It would lose its authority under the blue line. Not finished? I thought you had dismantled the door and playing the game of counting roof glass number. I forgot to tell you, that door is a little stronger than normal one. Handheld drill, equipped with a mini ore detectors, can detect ores within 50 meters. It is a pity that you cannot mark up bananas with it. The necessary tools of this course are already in your personal backpack. Look, there is iron and asteroids. Pick up your drill. Use right mouse button to destroy objects, and left mouse button to collect ores.
Inventory full.
Good, you have completed all the courses today. It is done well for a monkey like you. Back to your cryo chamber. We will wake you up when the next course is ready. Mark, stop. Welder is not banana. Do not bite. That is why I told them not to send a monkey into space.